cases being neglected. Problems are easy to identify, but what separates a good manager from a bad one is the ability to find solutions to said problems. So what's your proposed solution? My solution is to reassign Rafi to another case and give me someone with more seasoning. Okay. You make that sound so easy. I don't have anyone to give you. Let's hire someone then. Otherwise, we are going to write off a bunch of time with Rafi on this case. You have been in this role 1 week and you are already asking to hire more people. Yes, if the Brisbane case doesn't get enough of my time, we are going to be in a tough spot. I promoted you, but with each day that passes, I am more convinced that was a mistake. It just seems this job is too much for you, and now you are blaming an intern. No, you are wrong. I just can't do Rafi's job for him. That's the issue. I don't have the time and it's not efficient. I know, my doll, you are exactly right. I put you in a impossible situation and it's playing out just as I hoped it would, motherfucker. Maybe you need to manage him better. Just trust me on this. Rafi doesn't take his career seriously and there is nothing I can do about that except replace him with something from your father. I bet you are as sweet and charming as you can be. I deserve the same courtesy. I have been so good to you, but it's time you learn that things shouldn't come so easily. You have to earn them. This is blatant harassment and bullying. If you think I will come back there and provide you sexual favors in order to earn your delusional. Sure, I have dressed more daringly of late, but I am not a whore. Don't overthink this. I am just asking you to sacrifice your pride for a moment in order to make me a happy man. I want to give you what you want, but I need your appreciation. If you want help on